Hi, I'm Erica from FarmSteady, and today we're making preserved Meyer lemons. Preserved lemons were one of those mystery ingredients to me. Their flavor's such a surprise. Salty, savory, and super lemony, but without the sharp acidity. And the peels, soft enough that you can actually eat them in a dish without feeling like you were biting into a lemon rind. Making preserved lemons was also a surprise, because it's just like making kraut or any other lacto-fermented vegetable. All you need is lemons, salt, and thyme. And because lemons come packed with their own juice, the brine's already started for you. And if you want to learn how to ferment even more veggies, please click that subscribe button, hit the bell, and you'll get alerted every time we come out with a new video. But let's get started preserving these lemons. For this recipe, you'll need 10 to 12 Meyer lemons, 1 cup salt, and a teaspoon of black peppercorns. Trim the ends of each lemon, and then cut and exit it almost all the way down, but leaving one end connected. Perfect. Now repeat for all lemons. Goodbye ends. Hello X. We like using Meyer lemons because the skin's really thin and it ferments faster, but you can use regular lemons in this recipe too, just ferment on the longer end of that range. Last 3. And done. Add about a ½ inch of salt to the bottom of your fermenter. And then let's start layering these lemons in. You want to take them and add a tablespoon of salt into it and then just rub it all together. Adding the salt directly to the lemon helps pull out all the lemon juice, which is going to make up most of your brine. In between layers, sprinkle a tablespoon of salt and some of your peppercorns. Keep going with all the lemons. Some more salt, some more peppercorns. Salt, 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 salt. Some more salt, some more peppercorns. And we're done. Add your fermentation weight and push down pretty hard to start forcing all that lemon juice out of the lemons. Now top with a cup of water. Top with your lid and airlock and ferment away. After fermenting for 4 to 8 weeks, You'll want to transfer these into the fridge to store. This recipe calls for a lot of salt, so before using, you're going to give your lemons a quick rinse, discard any of the innards, and then slice the peel really thinly and add it to any dish to make it truly magical. We're keeping our fermenters full with new batches of kraut, fermented hot sauce, kimchi, and more, so please subscribe to this channel and we'll keep these videos coming. Happy fermenting!